Industrial automation is changing how we make things. It uses technology to do tasks without human help. This change is important for businesses and workers. Automation makes factories faster and cheaper. Imagine a factory where robots work alongside people. These robots do repetitive jobs like moving parts or checking products. This lets people focus on more complex tasks. Automation is not just about robots. It also includes software and systems that control machines and analyze data. This helps companies make better decisions and improve efficiency. The idea of automation is not new. For centuries, people have looked for ways to make work easier. Early examples include windmills and water wheels. These inventions used natural forces to automate tasks like grinding grain. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought significant advancements. Machines like the steam engine and the power loom automated production processes. This led to mass production and the rise of factories. The 20th century saw the development of computers and electronics. This paved the way for more sophisticated automation systems. The introduction of programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, in the 1960s revolutionized industrial control systems. Today, automation is everywhere in manufacturing. Robots are used for tasks like welding, painting, and assembly. Computer-aided design, or CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM, software streamline design and production processes. In the automotive industry, robots work on assembly lines, performing tasks like welding car bodies and installing engines. This improves precision and speed, leading to higher quality vehicles. Automation is also transforming the electronics industry. Highly automated factories produce smartphones, computers, and other electronic devices with incredible precision and efficiency. Automation brings many benefits. It increases efficiency, reduces costs, and improves quality. It also allows companies to manufacture products faster and respond to market demands more effectively. However, automation also presents challenges. One significant concern is job displacement. As machines become more capable, they may replace human workers in certain tasks or even entire job categories. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions need to address this challenge. Investing in education and training programs can help workers adapt to the changing job market and acquire new skills. The future of automation is full of possibilities. Advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things will lead to even more sophisticated automation systems.